There is a quote here, see, to nominate you alone to come amount to disrespecting us as a political party. We in somewhere or catcher and I champim jantua, our baby receive petition no on behalf of the president. What is about? Do you think it was a fair comment to make?
Nana ya na your small crossing because small we can come in.
Ade.
That's okay. A whole political party. Sabi Jubilee House na moye dwuman President Kofo na see and the NPP aban na see your main opposition and say and you feel bem. Na say political party no e demonstration. Now wo de ni die e de ma wo mo a. Oba ya wo say a third tier presidential staffer our ye adwuma chief of staff office. Na say no.
Na say petition na mo pese ko president ho.
Debi anya ne sa. Che ye wo nti ne free bibi your messenger and your message. Asem bi wo ho ante e kasa asem wo ho efato hena no. Asem bi wo ho efata henkwa no. Ana se bi wo soma nso a ye wo ne soma no. Empanifo nsem mo kan nya no. Obi emodu nya nsem sa wo. Obi no kwasem ni sa asem kroto na wo kwa kopa acho. Na yeso ko janto obi no ko pato a. Sebi obi akeke na ojan to ano. But because of pressure for penny be over society na a whole political party. A penny for an idea in Moban. General Secretary can minority leader can NCB no a majority leader. And now majority leader be honorable or say Mensa Buzaka. Honorable Dominic Niti will come. But you are Ponkroma can MPs a whole MPs in Kwambe 15 I'm a kind. Former ministers, I can see. Honorable Jogate Kahun. Party as a national executive to Donaba. Yet demonstrations will come on, yes, sir. A brave kind you buy. No more deputy chief of staff. Stand up, Munabeji. Near Tosu, you know, a boy. And a youth wing and a demonstration. Okay, and you council almost the opening Alex Sebifia and a veggie petition. Near say a demonstration, be now here at in a year and then penny for the annual. With the greatest of respect to Nana Jantua. Or no, yet, chief of staff staffer. And then Bambeji petition. That's disrespect. And she can't see any ma Yanzo, deputy national youth organizer, Sandra Sarkodie, and so the petition a man send it.
It's not just a minority leader and Casa handy over petition.
Debbie, Sandra and a demand.
And the minority leader Casa we say disrespect, no. And the petition ma Sandra.
It's ano here.
Say Sandra and Farmer Nana ya Jantua.
I also Farmer.
Nana B. Was that not Nanya Petty?
Any petty. Are you petty? Because they decided to downplay a beer gun of winning, you know. And Yamian Ukraine, a president, imagine who you are. And all President Martin Hoyao. Because every such man, they are smart. A political party in Chebia in new 2 years. And a Kunyan. Ono Monsu just free Moko. And I collect the main opposition party back. I can't be the first one a year, you know. Stand up and a BG for a deputy chief of staff. Second one, you know, opening Alex Sebifia and a BGA. Near third one, was you about penning and I jump on him, Mabaji. I'm not going to delegation because I don't know what I'm going to find. Now, me make me kind of because you mean your opinion, because I'm saying, Anna, and to small years, one can't come to small ideas, my cat, mammy. Because in him. Suma went to one to me and can't trempen for a Suma was no, we dear, a Suma catch your mammy. In fact, there was a timer. This is a demonstration. Say Nipa Yasman Manabaji petition was and was a deputy chief of staff Bosman. Are you aware they complain? Look at some complaining. And I repeat.
And one of the deputy chief of staff.
Yes. The same rank to say stand up. That is the almost Karan, yeah, Casasa and Adena, Yamfa Bua Momonia, that Aden Yama, Yura Bosman, and a Dua Bosman and a Babaji. Carlos from Brazil.
Very well.
Yes, Abusian for Mechacha Munina Mamunina, Aquaba Sronko. Asabra Akoya Sepio ho. Ya Canada be say MPP man a woman soa. And this is from Bayra. Omo Bayra. Wan kakra bi a show ye kakra bi a showcase ne ne wa Accra international bra and this ya jaya peti party na gu na ne nam ho because na and this for nim say the omodi MPP for emepim sa abre we mu no say MPP kura afre demonstration a obiare ma but unfortunately to the NDC and that demonstration way, now you're solid. Now you're very, 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 very solid. And nipa and ne omuko piemu demonstration way I say. Actually, near my miensa. Sa demonstration na course we no. Miya berima. And hene kwa. This demonstration means a lot. A chance bebre demonstration which they say a nipa mano or moti or minum no. In fact, they are fed up with this manner of governance. Omwabre because in just 1.5 months, 1.5 year, now opposition party, the members of parliament, ASC out of 275. Now omutumi mobilize enipa domo omonti se ene ewo Accra bon trensono. Mi abadi ma. The NDC know directly say 2028 December na mahama wie ne de na NDC amanyo kono so ayeden awie ne de. Your videos wo ha. We are coming to show you the amount for maneka. The amount for mano. The enam sunti omoko demonstration ase. Enye the party bi okan. Enye the party bi ka. We ye the amount for man nkrofo na omuti kronum. The omunamu, the omokeka. That is what we are going to show to you. Now, na nkrofo na omu refiri. Sometimes they forgot. He say to me no be do nsem na wan hwe yi a wan hwe na wa mana bodam wan hwe yi a na wa mana bodam because NDC kai PNDC how they came into politics to become democratic political party enka de omu ye nkomo nyo because bra na omu leader Jerry John Rawlings ekita tuo ne sekan edi kuma manfo eji amanfo japade pama amanfo free or mind no mukura no MPP for to me jina won so ye demonstrations na mu ye tene mu e true editia even a military governor nanka na enye sabio enipa Ghana for na ne koto abama no eno betime hunehuna MPP for but said yesika no tumi no bedu nsem a na wo free ba bia o free ba tumi no nya bedu nsem a na wo free hwan kora na de tumi no ma ame tumi ne bedu nsɛm a wanhwɛ yi a na wabu nkurɔfoɔ na ɔmode tumi ne ma ɔno na wabu ɔmo kwasea sɛ ɛba ne nso na nso yɛ tipɔnkɔ soso mpo deɛ a na ɛdeɛ deɛ woyɛ ne sɛ tumi na nkurɔfoɔ de ma wɔ no wosan de yɛ dɛn ɛko tia nkurɔfoɔ no ɛne na ɛnam so ma amanfoɔ no gyiga a na ɔmo ate agu kurom ɔmo te gu kurom nso ɔmo te gum in numbers ɛne na ɛde pressure esi aban so ɛma aban before even yɛkɔ akɔto aba no na wagye ato mu sɛ I'm going away me and my people abusua nneɛma ɛbobɔ ba nsɛm a akɔ so in this 1.5 year way mu under this regime said a man for friendly regime no under this dictatorship leadership in a blanket democracy no and some no maybe Gen Z for no mountain ma binom asio na enkrofo no mo di more than 30 years and above no de ekoso ne no e ma omo kai bibibi a atwam brebi a amfa oman no anko ba bi papa say na yesi obi aso camera si TikTok so kasa na sema o kan say yesi osofo bi aye video say onu kum enwane ne na ntwie 32 edi ye nyankama ade de ma amanyoku efe na NDC amomo aba be di president na obi fa sa video we na o de kotan TikTok no o ka say okay sacrifice we num na moyeye eno ho nsunsanso na ama awuawu no ate asim wo man no mu a wo se den o kochi sa nipa no na nipa na oba abontene se wo ne no mom ne kodi sa dwuma bone no sa nipa de ye nkyero sa nima na ekoso no ebinum a se nsem wei aka omonye amanyofo omonye amanyosem omunima amanyo ho sem hwe ebinum amanyosem mfa omo ho beto mo tena sikom na omo de omo ani omo bi omo ani te se aboa nani afiri aboa wo kyebene na obo hwe de ekoso wo man no mu a omo te ase se papa na ote oman no mu ote oman no so enne no na atwe ne se ye fa ni Idi Amin enti no odi tumi na nkrofo no de ama no e de chichi nkrofo no de omugum for free especially say we are affiliated to the NPP abushia so bibi say it's our democracy under attack kese I it is under attack and it is under serious attack to the point to say ne ena me no ka say obi biara o ye MPP ni a nanu nsem ekọ akiri oye obi okasa ekọ nanim obi o wagina bere titire obi e wo society no ma de obeka betumi e de mind a changing of mindset abra nkrofo no wase ho mo hu se de aban ne ye no ensem fata no sa nkrofo no nyina ene ye de amanfo ni tumi no edi wona chi a ye de betumi biase beka wona no ato yes ye de oman ne mra ne oman ni tumi no ye amanyo ko bi adwuma na se ba ne se ye de oman ni tumi ne oman ne mra de bo amanyo ko bi ho ban na wo dwene se eno nkyere se kabi ma minka bi na ekoso wo oman no mu a enam so ma oman a ye man ye ma oman a ye twa ye takirema ne ye furuma to so wiase amansan nyina hu ne se ye oman bi a ye da musononko Africa man mu no se na obi aba na odi saade na ni twitwi fom na wo so te ho na wo so hu se ye man no eseye a nwia bari ma etojewa eto jiwara ankasa because said the nneɛma ne si kɔdo sɛ wanhwɛ ne yi a ɛyɛ me ɛne wo ɛna yɛ deɛ yɛyɛ ne sɛ yɛpia bɔntene yɛfa camera si yɛnim yɛfrɛ wɔ program so yɛkɔ radio so yɛtwerɛ Facebook post X post any TikTok ne ho yɛyɛ bibia saa na yɛde yɛ agitation no yɛde release no but nkrɔfo no nyina ante saa ebinom ɔmo hu nneɛma bi ɛte sɛ yɛnsɛ ne mfata ɔmo reaction no ɛyɛ different yɛmman ma ne binom ɔmo wɔ ɔman nom no deɛ yɛ papa wo yɛyɛ no ɛbɛtumi ama amanfo adwemmɔne kɛse abɔ ɔmo tim ama yɛfa ahodie na ɛkita yɛn nɛ no ɔmo bɛtumi ayɛ bibi a ɛbɛma yɛahwɛ de yɛfa ahodie no for all the rest of our time enti ɛnyɛ agorɔ bi kudita yɛgye ɔman afiri kabima minka bi amamuo mu ɛde akɔ soja amamuo mu no many a times no ɛnam nneɛma wei so na happen ɛnam nneɛma wei so ɛna happen ɛnam nneɛma wei so na happen because sɛ America say yɛwɔ majo bi wɔ hɔ a soja ni panyin bi wɔ hɔ a nneɛma wei yɛ ɛkɔ so yi ɛntɔ n'asom ɛnyɛ onhu ne yie so sɛsi amena ɔkasa yi yɛwɔ sergeant bi wɔ hɔ a ɔwɔ soja mu a ɔwɔ dibrɛ kɛse a deɛ papa wei yɛ na konwa so ne ntɔ n'asom yɛwɔ security agencies binom so wɔ hɔ a ɔmo wɔ access to cardinal points of the country a deɛ papa ne yɛ no ɔmo ne nya adwene na sɛ yɛkɔ so na ɔmo yɛ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa for long time a ɛne nnɛtrega nkorɔfoɔ no a ɔmo bɛtumi ayɛ bibi no na ɔmo asɔre na ɔmo yɛ bibi enti ewura mahama wafa ne faara sɛ nnɛ yɛnam abɔntene ɛna yɛka yɛ asɛm ne yɛ haw ɛne deɛ yɛmpɛde akyerɛ no because ɛnkaefoɔ binom wɔ hɔ a sɛ ɛboro wɔ n'adwene ne wakoma mu so a deɛ ɔmo yɛ no ɔno no baabi ɔte no ɛbɛhwere no ɔmo hwɛ no ma meka sɛ metrɛte no meka deɛ wɔ mu wei ɛyɛ reality sɛ saa nkorɔfoɔ no ɔmo ma ɔmo ho so a ɔman nankasa na esi hɔ no yɛbɛbubu ne nyinaa from zero again wontumi ntena ɔman mu ɛma menya akwanya medi ɔman so ɛnam atemdi a nkorɔfoɔ binom to ɔmo ho si hɔ di mpanyinfoɔ binom atem for more than 8 years a ɛnam so ma obedi ɔpanyin wɔ ɔman no mu na sɛ wanya tumi awie a ɛnɛ woda sɔre a wɔsi dan amanfo edidi ama mpanyinfoɔ atem ɛno nti ama yɛ culture ne yɛ sesa no papa you were the leader of that. You are the leader of the insult. E wankasa mpo na woyɛ den wodi mpanyinfoɔ na atem yie pa. Wodi atema kodi di asɔfofoɔ ahemfo ɛne mpanyinfoɔ akɛsefoɔ mo wɔ man so mo nyina mo yɛ hypocrites. Mo yɛ nyaatwemofoɔ. Ɛyɛ wo na wo ka yɛ. Na deɛ na wo dwene. Okwasisa nkrɔfoɔ ma na wo training wɔ mo to become fighters and the soldiers of insult. Wose sa nkrɔfoɔ na wose wo yɛ ɔmo babies with sharp teeth. Ɔmo medidi mpanyinfoɔ atem no. Na wo dwene sɛ ɔmo di watem, ɔmo di nanado atem wie. Na nanado aban firi akonwa mu a. Ɔmo bɛka ɔmo ano atom. Ɛnɛ ɛho nsunsuansoɔ na yɛyɛ den yɛtie no yɛse you reap what you sow. Deɛ obedua no what? Ɛnoa na obetwa. Adeɛ na wanka so bɛyɛ wadwin sɛ wobedua no ɛno na wobetwa enti deɛ John Mahama ne NDC foɔ eduayɛ ebere bi a atwa mu no ɛnɛ ɛna yɛte so aba And say you would say on Tiaseman and Crofo, soldier for now, on a training or mono, or more exhibit experience in dia or more year free. Ni suku, atemudia sukua, on any Kevin, on any ni pay what you can say, ne director John Kevin Taylor, and a year, you know. So see on pese obehu so mfaso a ene onsim fra konwa no so na soldier fo nse se na ahodre na bam afa na omo aye well train afa na omo tumi eye omo adwuma ye because omo asua adwuma na che afi we mu na omo de beba eba be ye adwuma enti de papa wu kan de ento asum enti bibia ni wa a kire se ye democracy no yenye den enye under attack under this leadership ene de ya me no ka say ye manya na amanfo tumi sanlai eye demonstration ekosisa police for cars ekotu a police for car key ne na asefo ene ye koye demonstration and this abanse on amanfo kuro bi say identity NPP for ekwa akoye demonstration identity organize demonstration ekayenka ya no ntum because na papa nim say wa fire no mum wa fire na wie na nsaka de no hwehwa wie tumi na be ni de wie entity opebi o de be yo mada bi asem we mi Evans ankama otaka no platform we so o say ye cannot crepa na obi ye affiliated and lawyer to party odi akira Ghana for nyina de omu gina ho a MPP will be 60-70% of Ghanaians they are all affiliated to MPP but you know he too transparent intino ama obia eka de ofili intinto kwani bam na etifa mu a na ye mu atete. And this is say nkrofo weti akonwam na omodwene say they can come over us ombetumi aka MPP fo ahye ombetumi aka manfo kasa mena hye omoyam a eya na omo ye mesere eya na omo ye dan omo ho eye mesere just one timer ye tu ye hungu abonten say enne ye campaign no look at what is happening na bu so nim dey esere crofo we disrespectful che say in parliament ye 66 MPs no edin crofo we omo atikobo form in parliament though, when we are dealing with intellectuality, when we are dealing with ideas-driven conversations. Yes, sister says some piece, no? Et michi one bro one. Emma mu fili say yes. Enkrofo we swa, but omo chire nyansa. When it comes to yenkwa bonten so na yengo organize enipa. Na yemfesi the yanka truth yanka no krenche tumia and also so no we show them say it is not only about English and it's not about only knowledge e honso no yetimi ma pressure na ba won so in fact and pressure than and this for so because no mu milivu da no mu milivu no mo me vukura say ye bet to me our organizing nipa dom say mo beti egu Accra na ne bonten so enkrofo omonte de ekoso omonim say the fact say dollar to CD AF 1135 ntino omo aban no omo abu awie o enkrofo we omonte yo the fact say dollar to CD ni rate no about 11 to 12 in the middle. To them, they have done everything. Omonte say, enkrofo ma bi ye adwuma wo man no 50 months in ye ntia wonka. Enti say nipa no. So onye ndisi onye MPP ni empo ana onye obi odi ne ho agi amanyo semu na ote se ye koye dede di akire abanya obesori aba be kana asem di akire oman napkofo na mo se from musenyo posumi do nwotwin do num ene 15 months ene ye ntua wona katua ma wo a teacher for binom omo akatua kam 8 months kokofo omo koko omo tonne before December ye ntua wonka enkrofo ne agitated enti atemu die na amanfo edi mahama no enya MPP na aka kira amanfo so omo ni na atemu eye nkrofo no ankasa na ye comprise can say comparing things nkrofo na ena afa kwan na na adofa so bu ne man ene kwan papa we afa so bu ne man ena omo di na tem say ommo ne homodere because enye dollar to cedi ena omo di to aduane di our market enye dollar to cedi amanfo no adwa amanfo no amanfo ni abre underground da they don't understand what this man is doing. Enti sa asem we ikoso na oman man nyina asori agina mu say omo eye demonstration e dia ba wo nan so abeka say enema we nkoyie enti hwena pe bibi ye fa ho a bra na beji de ye de bra wa na akofre kurasini ba we
ha get na fe marking Joyce Bauer
Pacho nyanto base na akofa maami we amanyo mu ashawoni ba kese pa anyway the leader of parliament ena mubi chairman sambo sutina ho the general secretary of the main opposition party of the party eka ho bi member of parliament about 15 or 16 members of parliament any MPP from paying for the dignity faces of MPP and nante the letter Abraham Hama no akofa amanyo mu ashawoni ba onto them say omra na ono mechi petition say before we get to you you want to tell us say the mode ba no kura no ehu hiame hey are you stupid? Believe how there is something wrong with some people's mind though. And they think say osono kukuruku empanfo so ye nkwasiafo say omo adwene emo omo fast. Ha sa na mo dwene. Eni ntia mo behuna mane no. Eni ntia mo benya defeat bia you will never forget in your life in 2028. Ebeye mo won say the NDC will remain in record say it is the only political party in Ghana ultimately maintaining more than one mandate of presidency at the Jubilee House. Because we are clueless people. Mutime drankasa. Monfa nipa dasani enye she. Ebuo. The mutual respect. Enkrofo we ni bi kete. Enkrofo we ni respect kete. Hey, listen, let me tell you something. Kwanya na do fa so a auditory the double salaries of the NDC. We are talking about Mr. Chuma Numo. You are talking about Mr. Atonomo. You are talking about Haruna Idris Numo. Enkrofo mo ankasa agitum say they have committed a crime. But in one way or the other, encrophobia from MPP for Mojane say, some way, somehow, we are not enemies. We just have two different ideologies of Kwanya Yemfa Somfa and Chichiro Mai. And Tisana Ba, Munti Esikanama Mintraso. And Uncrophoi, Equina, why no Mutito Musicana Suchai. And then Krofo be dia kunya. They are not thinking about the development agenda. Their aim, the omo who any say, Panyom before so to me aiden, or to me ama amanyoko na oye opposition party ne be mere. They want to weaken the NPP party so that they can be in power. It's not about how they can develop the country so that they can remain in power. No. Kwamba so na ebe faswa, yebe say NPP amanyoko na want to me am challenge ye to me home. This is what they are thinking about. They don't want any challenges. They don't want challenge. They don't want competition. Dictator mentality, dictatorship mentality, and a microphone team. I say yes, sir. After your marking to me free parliament, and a Thursday, the minority of the parliament, it did demonstration and him, and anti-bedru Jubilee House or the quotient. Ebrewa na akwakọ fre Kurasini bawe
obetimi agina ho akachuru
say onu mom ne mra maji a petition from the minority leader in parliament. Are you people sick? Moyare. And I don't know why they think say they can humiliate and MPP for. Na semna sere amamfo no ebo modern. Now, what they are look at me say where the course were crying. Look at that for your market.
2028 NDC. So
Yes, we a afenyo marking society for and a shout on the dam say 2028 there and this if we pay they must to leave the seat and give it back to Yoruba Baumia. Now, some more we are coming to talk more about this demonstration of the day, and some of the reasons are I think the demonstration I needed some people be no who are more, and I'm very sad about that. But my main fanchia and Mama Dofo Kakra now yen Samina back on the demonstration. Now yen hear some of Nema Bin see or now yen mongurum a dear be a coso and ra and ne or my no more. I am very disrespectful to other people. Now ye back near be home and come and go by a transit. Ye bas is here. Mimi amba Vivian Kuma Michel ye pa Emma Wakwaba. Mi mami Esther Kebari ma Michel ye pa Ivan Sankama Kofi. Michel pa Sansona Lucy Amoa Michel ye pa ena the four mame nyakon Michel ama nyakon Michel ye pa ena Mimi ba Nana Accra Afro Papa bi. Michel also ye pa. Let's go back to what we were talking about. Yensanko ye chine yen kofa de na ye kasafa ho. Abusia enke ya kwa akoye me se e wo senka ye ba beto aba bia ye mane mra meye mandatory chese enya de bia ye be hihye ne mra e de ato ho se wo kese wo pese wo mra medi president pa wo Ghana man mu a ansa na ye be kwakoto aba no e wo se ye mfrɛ wo na wo mfa pen ne paper na wo ntwere wo ba oman no mu adwuma wo ba be ye ade a wo pese wo mra meye nti wo ba be to aba ye ma wo ntwere na wo nsan ase na wo nsan so enyina so se we na me ba be ye na nkrofo no gitumu a ya ma waba ubeduru nso a enam se waka ntam agusu nti enam se ya ma waka ntam agusu ansem no so nti no se de tie bia no be ye because the nti ma me kasa ne se enema na ye papa ne kan se oba no aba be ya ma ye na enam so ma enkrofo no tugu abonten koto aba amanfo ma ne ye adwumaden ma party we win ye ebedi nkunim no papa ne ba ye ne sa adwuma no wogye ye gubabi enti demonstration we mu no enipa dodo we ye ohu omo wo ha yi sa enipa dodo we ye ohu omo wo ha yi no it is all about what disappointment amanfo ye completely disappointed we bebre yan disifo na no se muhu video bi a enkrofo na ndisifo use omo ema won eco protected ballot box ekodi nkwasiasem ema amam ebinom eprepraye enkrofo na sabio omutugu NPP mpanyimfo so eprepra won no in the name of NDC no sa enkrofo na ene omugina bontena se muhu ya yema Mustafa Gwande warn and say a man in Kesegato you for NDC for because they are really disappointed in them. Enti nipa domo ye hu omo ho no enya MPP sema mi ba ma. It is about the direction oman we ene ye kom. Direction na ene oman we e kom no enye democracy nko a ene ye at stake. Mi hwe ade o ha. Me pese me fa image we enchiro. Me pese me fa image we enchiro na hwe ade. Me pese me fa image we enchiro na hwe ade. Oh, picture no kura o here. Ekoro. Afena mahu. No shit. Obusha fanche picture na ayira was system no. Ene project ahodo a na nke wo se yenye through the IMF a ye di hu sika ba no ato force nti project ni sika no so ena on release sika enam so ma ne project no I am for twem. We are talking about a lot of project. Nkeden kosobe bra amanfo. Nkeden kosobe bra amanfo. Amanfo mana hu se papa ni nya adwuma o. Enti ene eno ane so be fa hwesere. Na wabom unya bo hwesere ma. Edomo mo betu aba bedi wachi ayedede atia abanwe no. Enya deketoa. Mpacho temi ye pa. And one is about history. Say you want to do something against this government. A man for ewa semoka. A man for wa semoka. Na ene baby ayetie no, any baby aye jina no. Enye nsem no nyina na obetumi aka. Ubi wa na okasa, wan hwe yi ane ba be fa wo konti nkrofo no nkasa. But the bani say dia it becomes normal. Say amanfo no na mabonten na omo ka omo akoma mu asem omo adwene mu de ha won omo enyansa mu de enkoyie because ene de amanfo bisa ne say Ghana man no ababeye kabima menchew anase kabima menkabi because ene obi antumi nkasa. And then Krofo binuma na omwaji din media houses binuma na every morning show na ye about criticizing bebre na ye even constructive criticization bebre na ye destroying distractions and the san Krofo no nyino mu akadan mu. Nobody can stay on his radio or on his TV in the morning and speak as if NPP was in power. And then Tony Huge, Tony Bite, or Wahefa, Wayira, Professor Jampo, Wayira, Papa Frimpom Boateng, the Garamsey reporter, or Wayira. Abusia, met me abu bodina. Enkrofobia no mo ato mo ho agu system no ma no mo yedede bebre na yira adentia amanfo binum anu ma ye ma eti omo ntumi nkasa ebinum so ehu ahye omo yamu ma omo ntumi ma abontem mekasa because ene wunim na wo ka asem bia wani beba ho so na wo dansa wam. Ene unim na uka asem bia wani beba ho so no na ye de wakwa akoduru nsawam bete nkrofo na nka ombetumi akasa nkrofo na asese bi o se tumi ene omu di a ebetumi aba ba ye national debate amanfo beka se da bi ade we ya papa we yi ne wo akonwa no so no ensem fata no sa nkrofo no papa na di kan de ne ma hyehye wonanum o monum ayema ene journalist for ye di V8 ne ma won 4x4 Land Cruisers akese ene ye de ma won so de be o mon kasa enti ade bechi Captain Kwasi Ampanyin smart okotwitwa bi hyehyɛ na odi be gina ne microphone anim in the morning na when kontompa na oye over volume of what issues when chantra na oka asem no bi de ka ho enye de oka bi ka ho a na oye diversion or distraction tactics and then say okofa niema bi old things na oka we are talking about the actuality and net de ekoso. And so, Captain Smart Kofa at the BSC 2017 to equalize today. Namo yare ye koye nim ye. Ye koye nim. Pacho de Tiasema Junior portray something. The lawyer Tiasema Okai.
Demonstration against
Because Ghana and is a Juma, and if I put a human impunity, lawlessness, and it's a opposition members. Abayi, they need to swore near dear Dan and Nisunia and say, Obechi opposition members. Intianano, Obianka, say, yeah, head ya by the base, on Ghana one party state, yeah, home. There's no Casapani about the children. They say bloggers are at your mono. They be a safety crime guaranteed. But it's possible to say a demonstration. I have ever say, Yamachi Muni uncle into be a safety guarantee. Mimi safe, or be a safe for Ghana, or be a Cassatia by Biano, Unya safe because I buy now very hypersensitive. Okoma Semper no Mubufu, near Smart, near Betchu, and then near the NIB, near the police, near the idea. They say Ghana at the Bonnier for Mudi Boninia, Yaja Muniana TikTok for near the Omachi. I bet any about your minus. It is almost done your mind one party state of Mumayahu. The only say the NDC 4% Ghana Hano, democracy near a soldier for Abem because soldier for Abam Krani and TikTok for see. Jana is your Mutitubia. It is a head on bear.
Yes, asema ono nso woka erichire ye no enti amanfo na dwa na ti asema maame we kan ye ti asema maame we e ba bekantie
maame ntime brewo wiase mi kofie kura ka mefo me ba kwa amasama ya gimi 20 cedis 20 Ghana emre kufo ado to se no ya ntie lolly first ada in Canada timam ya pa ne chaw so be the president ata de onye steady man no na sabi dem fi so no on chan na ne ban so be kukura man sab sabi dem fi onu ati yan so ye be ha ne pa sabi dem fi onye steady man ye ba e man ye kasanya mema ye suro bia sabi dem fi onye steady onye kafu mo ni gold skada mo fe bi twa ne bada onye steady man ho e da ma say
within 1 year mo say gold board aboka 1.7 billion Aden stand here bokro no. So say dey twa me sunu mo ni say me de masase. Me de masase. Me dua no bae wo so no bae na wo so no. Me say me mpe. Me sisa na me dua bibi foforo. Abaye otiso isi daabi. Me ni right say me sisa no bae. Ti me beji to me wo no ni ho. Enya sa me come for 20 years. Adenti what it 3 years agu ye chi. Ana wo bu ye sum ni ye mo ma. Ayadan Mahama, yeah, bread. Campaign, I buy a demonstration. Sister, and your politics is some more. Ghana, and your demonstration. Yanya bread. Mimi NPP. Me NPP, you can name me NPP. Many are bring a mere demonstration. Mama Hamas. So, me did ya, Mammy, or do. I said, my chairman, best be some man, penny, Miss Lebby, so. So, my man, can say, you have a best be some man, freedom of speech, or said, Diano. Oh, Chamwana, so Chama, my nya way.
Mpajo to wasio. Accra na ye wona ye no kasa no. Da bi hwemanim na me no ni nkomo. We are talking about Accra. Accra na ye wono. Enkrofo mo kasa maamefo mo kasa yi. Omo ye nkranfo. Me no ye kasa yi. Ye nyina nim say the majority of the people no. They voted for the NDC. Enti Accra hono ankasano a NDC stronghold. Enti so opposition party to me guarantee demonstration. Eman ye so massive to this level. Eman krofono omonti sa krona ankasa sokura po ba bonten. Esa be compreni make examples so ye solid examples so. Because asemna maame ni bisa about the lawly fair no. Enye se obi kam obi akokan eye de ono team ne na bra bomu nsem ne daily challenges a ofamu e wa banwe breso eno ho asem na oka we nyam MPP ni bi ote MPP platform bi so a okasa we ye maame a oye adwuma wo dwam na da bia ofa lole edi free ne fie ekọ adwuma ena o ka kire wo se bre na mo se aban bia ba ne tima edene $1 ne bo kosoro patro bo kosoro hwan no o se lorry fare no tua de ko ni fie no ena banwe bae no watum bese ohantichemu aduanan bese 40% on tibida enti we reality a reality a dia asie so tie ma me ba kono tie amanfo no buafu amanfo no buafu amanfo no omubu afu. You know why? Your mind be a here for pa. Your mind be a here for pa. So be being an country say $1.7 billion. Ewo yanka say ye mind na yetimuno. Enyi sika ketwa. Na say amanfo ma na bebre wo ewiem aton niema aye adwumaden se omo pe omo anu aduane na aban koje wons tax to efri sa adwuma na a omo ye ne so na sa sika no ye de koma akoa bi e se fe ne sami jamfi a ono ye wo no economics trade marketing onye bida onim hu nyansa onsua bibia mfa ho na yedji oman no emma no bre ho to e de kohye nipa onte sensam na sika no eye basa emma no bepem se ena me no kasai ya bo ka $1.7 billion a mi yaba di ma me na otete ne mawrem tiato no asem we yote ye no entwasum asem we ma amenete ye no eya bufuo asem we ma amenete ye no amana hu se aban we eya amanyo kuo anase abanya enkrofo omudi animu no omunte hwiase andaban ena wate se obisi okwa kodi sika kokko ho dwa na dwa na odi na oboka na wagimi nti ogusu di sa edwa no bajote mi yepa o ene mi di dwa na mi di no mi di mi nyamfa so betanam se magimi na minim de mi yonti no ana sika bu mi enya mi bottom sika nti no mi gusu amesi mi di sa adwa no enya bodamsem na mposa bi ye lusu sa sika we nyina chi ena nka patro buo wo fom later eda baye se $1 ewo ye kuro mo sesan ko ye kuro eda baye se $1 later that 10 eda 8 eda 10 na ye hwedi sika nke betima ka se sika na ye hwere no ye dey support to the cost of petrol and diesel but ye hwere sika we nyina petrol no so ane bo soro na ekro ye hwere sika we nyina still enuane bo no esoro na ekro sika ni kronum but ye hwere sika de bo amanfo abra nipa na ono kasa na no nim se bo afe ne bo so me nwotwe atwam no na papa bi di oman we so a na dollar no bo wo soro na petrol no bo wo soro nanso na sika erane ewo economy num eba opianya bi said the senefata ede ne niema because aburompo na woton a woton bag mienu a na etimi maw me se 40 million I no timi de bo bra ye tonya ama ne koduru even 5,000 aburo bag ba ko na amanfo to ede ye aduane ton ema amanfo to di the economy was running but ene yes dollar above from but a brogu them et one so ya jije so a ye de akwa akoma an incompetence amijamfi and I was she can't say bro na no yenkote a ono ne bodyguard $200 million de adwane she kana mo se ma yenka na say your politics na ye ya eseje mene wa yentie maami ni argument
sene bibi ha twema o ma yenya awe manyo kasa ye fan chem mbeti bi so man pele freedom of speech o se de no o twemu ana so twemu o mayenya awe se ne bibi ha ne ye kan be hu se ne be kan no na ye se NPP ni ka we asi ache no NPP ni ka we asi ache no e be dia na ekoso o mam no mo ye dia ma on hwe no mo no nya ma ye yentoshi ma ye don kwa ri kwa ti kwa yento enu mo ha ye on hwe ma na chae je se o kasa bon kasa ye ni ache o sorry to say o ni kwa no ani ya ne ache o se dia na ekoso o mam but e be so mam pani ma me say freedom of speech no se ye ja yusu a on kan ma ye ti ase ne ye kasa ye hu se be kasa na me da ase
so wa o sha ko ja ni
ma na sam ne e solid se papa we yo tie konwa so timi ko fa Kevin Tira de ni fra America abra na supreme high court ama warrant for arrest supreme court today say ye nchi akwa we because we di bone na say ye papa Mahama etimi ko fa ne free America krom e de ne bagan na manmu ebe yi warrant for arrest ne free ne so abra wadidi amanfo mpanfo ne nimdifo ne akesefo atem ema ne ye dia adentia a common Ghanaian na waso ne camera all kana adwene e wo se de amanyo sem no ko yetumi efa kwam bi so eche no ema ne ye the woman is making a solid point. The woman is making a solid point. Ose ne wa hwie na ase okose ukugya wo nan a e Accra for so pa bontre ejana I want mutin so no ose ne wa hwie na ukugya wo nan kra na ya chew ye be chew because bia na ba bia wugya wo nan no e bon e wan DC ne bi ne hwenem ye be chew mana ye. This is what we are living. And when you invented stories, so a man for man and a can or more money who a young miracle saboagin a tea radio so cassa, Mammy Monica Macoba, Richard also met your yepa. A the amount for no firm, the amount for no enamu. I want you to uncrophone no namu and no more can at theatre or my or mampanini say, see somebody be, but be a walk through there. What actually do? Yento aso na yenko yani.
Tuni ade na. Nese se yeni aso se ko. Ye besra ban no. Enye ntokwa. Yensa de yensa yem. Adwobre o yenina ye ne ma. Se ko bibi na anko ye kwa ye pa na chaw ye sra no. Onfo ye yenina ye kro ye. Nti ye besra ban ne se. Ye de wo acheche na ade ne ye besra no. Ye besra no. NPP for ne yeni abre. Kakra ne akoche yankofo, kakra ne akoche yankofo no. Eya amuti. It's your best rabbi, Sabine, or consider sign your man. It's not your.
Yes, Mammy saw some chemistry was some canca home. A man your semo, and embramo. You are dear be wife and president. A dear word the Kanye. And I say I be paying. Sadiano, a very dangerous. So what your Kunyamina Wundima, one we can say, men more to me into the Amipe me. Besade na wo ye ni bia no, especially if you do it through the court with the mra or man mra na ya e be ye asa eto ho sa na e kan wa kan kasam enti se osu no sabio wo hwiri to me se the NDC for be hwiri to me 2028 mu ya ye chi NDC ni asabio ye dwene se obetimi aha adwene na ye twato ne so se na oye director of an institution where this say enti onfa $70 million mransa ya money bela, and DC cannot complain and you cannot contest that at the court because there is precedence. Say ayemra ababa yemra wo man no say tibi ma obi $1 million bail, but NDC for they are not thinking of this. Yede nyansa emu calmly, very calm and very can say knowledgeable manner and a yepese and this ya buying entisus entias yese the all you know a sabone no ya to ho na se wa hwe ni ya sa sabone na o twade ato ho no ebedi atia no said the baby a trim 1.5 years ago. Here to me building crofose omunia tem ewo media num. Enka de omo pemfa nkyere mpanfo wo man num. Na yen aprodo omo of what they are doing. Ana edwene se omo ye ade papa bi di ama yen no. Won se yan dwena nko akiri se ochena. Saade ne beto ye. Enu abi na omo ye. Won se na youth no ebinom ano ayed omo binom anu nsem time wo media no. A omo candidate president no. Efiri hi na baaye. Efiri Mahama NDC for their organization to win the election 2024 and na kofa saa nema we nyina aba. Enti enenso se mo se mo chichi amanfo unlawfully abra enya mra na mo dwese mo betumi akwa mra no e de achichi amanfo akogum ama na yeyi a mungusu na monye na mutwa sa no to ho a ye ba bedi akonwa ye fasa na mo twa to ho no so enya afi ne ye ba betwa. This is what the NDC don't want to understand. Me about ma. I will hear me at the four. One question that I want to ask you. 1.5 years in here. And now the Attorney General, Mr. DemocracyUnderAttack, why press conferences over press conferences are all catch the Ghana for say a nipa binoma bokrono. And when him say Attorney General, Ghana mine ye mera nim for panyini. About Bontino be can say ya. You should understand that there is evidence, fundamentals. But as somebody come perceive me Ghana for and say, Emepemene, Fawon Sasi Opo, naturally. NPP ni ye di na se mo court a chese akoye kromfo mo mfa no ntom. Just point me one. Up to now, they have no evidence of any NPP support, NPP leader, NPP ni panyini bia. Aduri nanado breso, wadi boni bi aye krono sema emra a chese wa bokrono ntie de na kotum. They have nobody to point to you. But they will keep on saying, and we are bokrono, and we were we are. Now, Ensen Attorney General, what? He must be ashamed of himself. Papa, we found microphone war a do boahin so. When someone can, now Attorney General, what Barbon Temple can be enter, it means you have the evidence there. And Kadiachi and Kadu boahin them, because investigations are done. But you won't afford your man with Yanima. Said the mechanic at the beginning. They are protecting a political party. You are cohifopi or man with mu au mudi or man anima. They want to remain in power forever. But they are the quite person monfasu ni or minus all the time. They say, Omo per se, Omuntumin say opposition party no opposition party no ntimi an contest omo. The opposition party in Timon on your one contest. And then they have more idea how they can win and win and win again. They are not thinking of say omobe juma papa bi wo manum omobe impuntu juma bi nkosu juma bi nom ama convince o man say enkrofo we say to abama wona. They will develop that. That is not what they don't want competition. They don't want any other opposition solid party. They just want to be there. One party state. Mami Lucy Amwa Medasepa. Mami Akuya Nyako. Memwakwa ye. Mami Afrin Pomusu Makwaba. Mike Ofori. Mike Van Ofori. Mimi Amwakwa ye pa. Memwakwa. I wish I'm like you and I'm on share Mamma and Koyanim. The idea na yede best so man e bi ni ho enti nkwase asem ye gigito na na ya hye no kwa NDC for model of operandums akoye nkrofo bi no mo manage social money Nkrofo bi na omo ye international cooperation project. Omo ji sika na they will do all of these invoices. We call her. At the end of the day, they share the monies among themselves and nothing will be done. Until you weaken the opposition party. The opposition party no contest here. Yes, sir, any edibu o mai. Yes, sir, na yebu o mai ma o mai kona ni mana. There be even people. Nanado was hey, me see the NPP self no, we are so advanced. Nanado sponsored education of some of the NDC members. So Nanado ankasa ni pia manfo binum school fees omu NDC for adentia. He wanted a brilliant people around the political arena of Ghana. Ghana mamno enkrofo no omu ya amanyofo no. E kananado nko a e da so young people new, we NDC new, we CPP new, we one new. You have to have a mindset solid. Now you're capable of thinking beyond the box. Intinanado was financing the NDC people's a school. Menkrofo we. Na man for money e do mu ko school kro mo si da bia ye bone. Ene ne ene. Wan wan wo kira ye nam. Na wo do mahama. MPP for mpamfo atumi aboabo nipa dodo we nyina no. MPP for mpamfo atumi aboabo nipa dom we nyina no. Ebetunta su kokko di akyerewo a. Na kofa nipa mani mejina wo se nipa. It say amanyo mu ahyewo ni ba. Kope amanyo ni bi a osombo. Me ame Louisa, me mwakwa abapa. Kope amanyo ni bi osombo na omra na ommeje asema Ghana fo de brewa. Na wakofa sa ofani sen turumutai maami kohwini nkontompo ni wei. Se onye dan ono na mra emeje asem titiro se ya Ghana former de brew president. Now who born dog? Why ne to aba ema wunya tumi kwotena ba bia ote. Aye ne ye nante aba onan so a watwe ho akofre maami kohwini wei se ono mra na omra meje yanum asem. This is what Afenyo Markins said to this woman. Tie video no. Say a Ghana fo nyina kan bom say they are going to John Mahama to contest him. Say the oye ne nye onya ya Mahama say maami wei and emra meje asem na omo kan. Now listen to how Afenyo Markins intellectually destroyed na maami nana jantwa. Maami koshuni no. Munti how he destroyed her. Listen.
Maybe the chief of staff or the deputy or a very senior member of government under the circumstance should have been part of this discourse and to lead it. With great respect to you and without prejudice to your presence, to nominate only you to come amount to disrespecting us as a political party. I'm the leader of the party in parliament. You have the general secretary of the party here. You have the chief of staff of the flag bearer. We have the chairman of the Constitutional Affairs Committee of the party. Members of parliament and the leadership of parliament are all here. But to disrespect our democracy by only nominating you to come, like I said, with great deference to you, it doesn't match it. So it means that the government does not even take serious the grave issues before us.
Yes, enti said the Afenyo Ekano. Yabana ye the petitioner bra presidenta. Why nemra media or say Mame Nana Jantwa? Who is Nana Jantwa? What is her role? In himself, he's a presidential staffer, just as presidential staffer. She's not doing nothing there. Just weigh a job for the woman. Now what for your marking? Ni particularly say yeah, but when him declare tabrasi, we contomponi mamu we are on ferry idea. On an emra, emergency influence. You know what Afenyo Markins did? Afenyo marking show mami wo yenim se wo unyini o se wunrum pempen so aseme mikita krata bi de bra presidenta wo na wo se omra magin free mensem sa no ka kire no o se wo mami wo ya ugina wo yo mami e wanyini e bi nkro betumi na me mame. That is about nature, no problem. But politically unyin pempen so ameme afenyo markets me dom eba uno ba betire ni mache krata afenyo markets completely disgrace this woman, and this woman have to bear her or some vanity ensi form na wonsungu ni yam wanim guasia ene. Finally, after disrespecting the MPP leaders, Nanado and all the other people, no, and then finally the karma has paid her back on the stupid things that he said when they were in opposition against MPP. In the name of MP and in the name of P or so yeah, CPP. When Nanado was in power, this woman was talking against MPP party, telling Ghanaians to say, "Oh, this new or ye CPP ni." But then Mahama Bedia Kunyano, we a presidential staffer. Na kati ya the man to say minister. Sama mi we. Na kati ya the man it is a cabinet minister. We odisika kesi na oto. Na kwana kobisa na say o contribution na edins sanye na say impact be eba society num like 1.5 month. Any de wo here we oni asem kanchiro. Obe kanchiro na say oko Asempa FM ekosi senso ekudwa na num kodi ntroke kan sembiduma edijiji amanfo nani. That is a contribution. Na yetua ne kati se president, yetua ne kati se minister. Yes, atoka amano. Ebede o mekancho se onto dokunu ni biem. This time with fried rice. Mami we. Na afenyo ki e mami we se wie ye no a. Maame na ntumi antrase o na maame ni di America ne wa dwan ko obi studio ho maame koduro obi studio ho a bra o sun adan o se afenyo markings I disrespect no mpachotie
se oba besia megina wanim president ye ko program no e na omkache chief of staff se opeso obi animu odu kakra ne kokoje petition anya se kakra mpopeso
mpacho teriyo wa se maame we kura adwene no enya adwuma o se president se ope obi animu eduru kakra na te se o kura to nim se o motaw afa na obase sawa no da bi o se obi animu eduru kakra na se wo ti hoi unim se o motaw. How dare you accept to go and receive the opposition party's petition? Who are you? Who are you? Enye Ghana na sabio amanyo sem akwakoye hwan na kan kwasesem mo. Hwan na nanum nsem ede. Hwan na timidada amanfo ankawo in any developed country. You can never handle any political position because what you do with him a stone age mentality. You will never handle any position. And we are aware of that. So Mahama in the first place wanted to disrespect who? The MPP and the demonstration that they were doing.
Na okoji petition because onu they definitely out. Yeah. Chief susu ntimi nko. All the deputies so bia we yinase. The president say na ya betimi akọ.
O man penye free Jamaica.
No, yes. Okay. Obetimi akọ ntimo man nko. Me kokra na Marietta say one me be ba be ma me support am say oh sister o de tena ha na ye de obeye na say yesi me nkwa duty calls. Yes. As we duty in family bag. Minya call no omo ka kire me say omo bedu ho 11. Omo dru ho be 12:30. Me say me office twen an na me say na mo kran ka mo maame etna office like a co program ni wie ansan ka me ba beto. Obi e ko gina park sui. Besi ennene nkrofo yimpi ho. Tibe want something any who saw moba. Obi me kra me kono. Na me say oh we de me kohia me nuano. Na na bi wo ho. Justine wo ho. Omo nyina. Me hwe from afar na ayi almost 30 protest say me de omo ntimi ngi petition in free me ho na bi me omo kaka omo hu me ana omo yem hyehye wo nti no me hwe Justine from afar no okan wona no say na ya we na ba baji petition hwe obi eno nti na obi ho onya position na on person obeye humble no obi nti na onya position na on person me position me wo me fa position ni manim ti for you for Justine well aba can't hear me say
say o share na no na hu so okasa
what me hu so oka say na me ben ho all the reactions I saw it me a for the first everybody thought I should react but the police phone soldier for biase madam and they wire there I didn't open my mouth because me jina ho in the stead of the president of the Republic of Ghana. If you want no more call more conclave, no more could decide. A binum so mom play, papa be so a chairman no said then you almost fany dimby. For 10 so on GP, I make a chair was a one G. I said, me fee her. But then I told to myself, say, I am standing here at the highest office of the land. Yes. I am standing here in the stead of the president. It means me any bibia contrary to what is in my mind. So me jina who din share warm. Never show almost pray. Me the assembly de be dana me the beka. Papa Penny Swami MP, former MP. This Swami. He came to greet me. Cabo woman no three. And a big cramp. They went back. Then they went into a conclave. And they came back. A honored Afenyo marking. So no na contract. Afenyo marking who Afenyo marking? And your classmate in you. Yes, of course. Na nyini cha Afenyo marking metimi ya wona Afenyo marking what this saying?
Nyini when you say but untimi.
What this saying?
Obusanfo bon asem na America no. Mimia we so me mo akwa pa. When we say ya shift asem no from the reality to fear mimadi and awadi. And an American mami way. When him say she has nothing in politics. Once I was shifting asem no zidi ko say ono no wanyini se na Afenyo markings. Inti Afenyo markings ni ho kwan so be kan de ese ne fata kire no amame na yesoma wono wa hu se wanyini enti umfie bia wanyini duru no ukogina enkrofo omo eye wo ometumi aye wo ma na omo wonim de anim a oni omo kasa wonim se wontumi ne omo emachi ana woman what are you talking about pacho momentie
cha Afenyo marking metimi ya wona Afenyo marking what this saying?
Nyini when you say but untimi.
What this saying? On kan ye ejima minti me mates omo ye wie form 5 omo wo ye woni omo my age obi me hu na efe o nti Afenyo marking say manyi cha Afenyo marking 2 years mpa he hasn't got the right it is a president no did na tamo because president na yi me say me ma beji petition emre bia ye call Bank of Ghana enye security man na beji petition obi mpacho mensre ene obi asem kan cho se jasere ye na hwa asem no
maame nkontomponi maame da ben na ukọ ya ukochi na eho na president te Bank of Ghana eho na president te how would you expect the president to come and receive a petition from the Bank of Ghana and a second maame amanyo semunya mfi abodi nyina wanyini hu it is about the knowledge it is about the role that you play it is your ability of what of implementing ish niema ede ahoto ene nkoso bebre o man now betrans na be kan asem ema amanfo nyina so nto aba dokono na wo de campaign and you want people to take you serious.
Me pese mi hu se enye security man ene koje petition no ene ye me yase me nua we na fu se sampan ana omu bi na eba na nkane ye be chia ya mo ha. I'm telling you obi ye no an sen na amene ye chi ne sen ne ntimi anyam se Afenyo marking betimi ahwe me manim se me ye nobody obi si yi political office we free ho me mabobra o
yeah
Mr. C Juma o GIPC me asantini ba o ma yire me ho akọ school me free fie o obi me pese me ba be dwa manu me papa ye lawyer ni o FM me papa ye
maame we bi amfa ho politics na ye obia e woni gina bere obia ene ba bi ese ne fata no and your papa Juma ye, o mammy Juma ye, a Juma wayan or minum and a child to me or politics. The role that you play in the political arena, Mame, Ubesun, Kotosun, Yenti was a Mokra.
Oxford trained lawyer. I am the daughter of a lawyer, a pharmacist, and a minister. Me free fear to team you. Yante to me wakwana me ton yogurt. I find your mark in time. I mean more GIPs no way.
One who, and the Encrophone or Motunton yogurt to a Omokotoa, Badema, Mammy, we are ne, Wenya, Sabio, Babia Gina, this is chief presidential staffano. Some Mammy way at the sound crophone nim ye form in the public say Omohu here, a society num. Encropho when a yakotoa by yomo. Bra, Timmy Yepa. Encropho when a cotoa by yom so medi and so. Yena yakotoa banene, ya hu here, ya mopra, yen sem fatampo say ye can ye bekambi, because ye ton yogurt, because unluckily, yan to sikabusium. Yanyeden yan anto sika abusuam enti ye ho anim faso we ye de metaxia metua ene de tua nipa weka ice cream ni na osori ote bicycle so a all paid the whole day no na juma o ye so mfaso ene de tua maame we ote weka, but this woman have the audacity to insult them. Mena maybe so mom say yet to tone the same na amena na ye no an saying and na amena mame we mame panini wa na woka. You should be wise in public when you speak. One na woka say you be a we mame panino when you know, but your speech doesn't actually shows that you are old woman. Yentoado,
What right has he got? Say President Abobi, so my magic petition you saw the person. NPP wants respect, but they do not know how to give respect, especially to women. Justine Kodia, time I was so kwano, no one and I'm from wash a draw so. Yeah, and Nama so kwana, yeah, no. You no, Pacho.
So we deal out of his
sweetheart, please don't start. Please don't start.
Oh, because
that's the point.
Please, I beg you, sweetheart, I like you. Over penti me person me myself. Me person me because if nobody told at that point said what Afenyo was saying is not right, then nobody has a right to come and tell me, said me Busa Obi, I am very decorous with that.
No, but two wrongs too don't make
because the point is that Obi,
the way she
petition him out event.
now one farmer me I found but one ask petition crowd the man me post ya sign signature near see. I didn't want to.
But why not they share with him?
Almost because they send me nobody in almost the almost deputy your friend is saying women's organizer.
Oh
yes,
that is the right thing.
Me say because they say me nobody in that they don't expect me. See, I'm chief of staff, I'm deputy chief of staff, I'm me nobody, me a senior government official. Afenyo marking.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, a dear in Denesi. Just in could your time, I won't come a general secretary, me, I'm a general secretary. Open to me, why pack?
And Tiana Dane, Mamma,
senior.
We are talking about today, Mamma. Ubina trim. Unum be saying, I was saying, Kamoti Baby. Whom brims in a Senka Baby, Nankane. When Wonananum Adia grow and a team, or chair one quiet fast way to tumba ide, quiet fast way to tumbo dear, quiet fast way then cut here a cabo dear hoodie, and you were Jumanis or better. A man your same. Now what chin crofo na Junamia cotua babone, and you bet your cabo sumena a man for maninia cania and na home, and he was a fata. Say, when you drum fierce and crana. Encrofono ebe can the sene fata, the wose fata e the achiro. Because Mame, mona mo ye dede. Mona mo support to papa during campaign time. Odin throw away nom edit Ghana for.
We are next near now. We are Juma Nipa. We are Juma. Ye beti me abwa onwe sidan. Na debia bosombia yetua oka. Ne ate okakra. Ye benya companies bi. Na omone banks na ye Juma. Enti se onim sa onyoma eba ubekwa akon ho omo. Na omo aba obosia. Sa abosia no di bechia aban to oni gapo ha ne eto bia ewo ho. Na ye we container si ya na omo yi e de akoto terminal. One aban ni asembia. We shall reintroduce automatic posting of teachers. And we shall scrap the teacher licensure exams.
Okay, so yeah, agree say. Koko na debia ya de kwa manone na yakoye nwejuma oho ne ya chocolate ne de abre no. Yes, you abre. Ya pese factory na ya de ye koko no. Ya de ba bibia yidua koko no.
We for no fifi ye beba be two borehole wo ho. Near the polytank kesi ho. And I can assure you the price is going to be a very, very, very good price. So those of you who don't have cocoa farms, go and start looking for land.
Them is that in the first 120 days, we'll provide the seed money upfront for the Women's Development Bank.
24-hour economic clock. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. And one of the things we'll do when we come back into office is to complete the 200 community day schools that we began. The Agenda 111 hospitals they are building, I'll continue and finish them.
Enti se udi nipa bi utwa ntro se yanim ema amamfo man koto abama no na onya tumi na odi tumi no edi emkrofo no eso edwaya maame ya bana ye beka ebetinta sukoko di akire na you get out the way, get out the face, and let's go direct to the right person to hear emoja ntasukoko a eden ewo yanum o ma ensem megyina ho emeye ho adanko dada de ya soma ho jiminti usu di animu yenye ne sama ne nyeye enti you deserve say the NPP leadership address you the way that you deserve. Me so yeden who deserve say the NPP leadership ehun wo nipa su ne opan na omo kan nsem no say de se na efata e de kire wo omo anya mistake e wo ba bia na Yura Mahama afusia na no moti say enipa du baako aduonu baako 21 omuko wuyi ewo Accra to Kumasi ekwanso say nyina yate nyina so enim say Yura Mahama wanye dan wanka asem baako amfa ho even a presidential release kurampo no wanye bi enipa aduonu baako betene unim de asi Yura Mahama say ne nkrofo bi no omukofuru praying omuwu ye no ene ye omo deben ene ye omo 1 year anniversary entenam so omo ye NDC fo na omo ye NDC mpan fo ntino Yura Mahama gave them yen can say the respect but enkrofo nkai na ebinom wu ye enkwada bi ona omo firi Kumasi kwa Accra omo ko wu ye enkwada bi enano ada nkora binum so a passengers so 21 omo ko wu ye up to now Yura Mahama anye den emie na no enka semba akomfa ho but ni NDC for there pe de papa ne ye
Eti John Dramani Mahama, Mr. President, you have been a hypocrite today. Meaning how you are able to watch and hear this event. Or show many no say no speech. Meaning Galamsey today is bigger. And so ananya says that teche.
Yes, mo topic ya dia man o se me kan wansem.
Okay, some idiom.
You Galamsey near discuss how.
O say Ghana holds interfaith memorial to mark 1 year after August 6th helicopter crash.
Yes. Galamsey
me pacho. Omani bo mani ni pada obo wuye no. No omo kwa ko to aduane obo ase.
Debi.
Na de nam kwa kwakwe. Enya mine hu djuma de nam kwa kwakwe. Enya anti Galamsey ade nam kwa djuma. Enya anti Galamsey obo wuye no. Ah mo musi mu bu omo no.
Birds fly in the sky, birds like flowers.
Oh.
Malam Mr.
Wo kasa wo so environmentalist. Abra wo kasa no.
Malam say wo
TV no.
Malam.
Na resa solemn event in air.
That is what I say. That is what I say. W. The only way I'll be to do Accra Kuma. I can't John Dramani Mahama, the president of Kuma. Esa what show seriousness with the fight against Galamsey. Everyone who just say Galamsey they stop here. Emu adwuma ebre go for ebre ntu nya adwuma nya no. Abra I saw for Catholic bishops no. He told them, say Galamsey mining and they providing human. So we should be ready to say almost stop here and human so Emma so. He said it. Abra social media for Musan Galamsey who has no. Answer Papa Ben Omai. If you saw by here almost 2 years, you know. There Papa no why to fight Galamsey. Then why?
And they kai Omani Boama.
The memory of Omani Boama, they caused the death of Omani Boama. No. And until we need to be angry that the president is sleeping on the job. So Oba no and it's a Kana Galamsey Sembia ni ho. Omani Boama nkoso nkonko wu. Dey na mo munya ko wu ye. Program na program be.
It was about mining.
It was about mining. Illegal mining. Anti-Galamsey.
Yeah.
Now I don't know who and I also will share memorial. No, I don't know. I say and I watch. What because NDC officials be brave. NDC for
stop it.
The president John Dramani Mahama. I'm a case NDC paying for Galamsey. On one kind.
Now party for
Galamsey. Yeah. Then I own. NDC even also John Dramani Mahama cast me. Yatin is why Galamsey ya prosecuting. What is
Excellency?
The president. Ati unimbi na president go kana president no nimbi
na unim
debi o enye mi minimum e president as more kan but me won for to me as the president of Ghana me national security sorry me brief me and all be kasana I don't think say he spoke in a vacuum. Yes I'm the president when you serious
no
me say yes sir we so okasa in a vacuum
Debi president there
okasa. So the president spoke based on something he knew.
Yes.
And also the party for Galamsey. The party for Galamsey. No. What is what Chilipa Akupembo? And that's what the problem is. And it's what to me, ma.
Yeah, Kaya Manebo.
That's why I'm emotional about it.
Unya propaganda.
You did it back row.
Yeah, you did it back row. Yeah.
Mr. Back row.
Oza.
So I understand. Now so much the fear by the fear war.
Yes.
Man sin bio.
Baby.
And Bakokache say once upon a time.
Yeah.
Omani Boma was a powerful man.
Yeah.
They say okwa hefa.
Na o can say emra no otiase no.
Obebano.
Onoa omado
do one pen for befio lampu. Ni fear dem be part of that one no na nwura.
Yes.
Ati me share me bisa me say it's a day way pa. Because within NDC, he's one person. Me as a person.
For say he's the brain behind NDC winning of 2024 elections.
Which is a fact.
The planning BBR was done by him.
Who say he's one person in the political life? Monsieur.
Yeah.
Who say he got to where he got to without thinking about going to parliament?
Yes.
That is one thing I mean.
He never thought of.
That's one time I mean.
Yeah.
What I say? Yeah. There are several things we can do in politics without going to parliament.
Yes.
It's been said, obviously, member of parliament, and yet, dear minister,
Doc.
It's Omani Boama, dear tone, say NDC for John Dramani Mahama, the president, and in form call. So, the memory, no more moving in memory. They should show seriousness with the fight against Galamsey. Because so far, this 8, it appears say NDC for most of them, they died in vain.
That's it.
Yes, interview, Masima making an say. On say, Mahama, Akai. Say NDC for binum akaba bi minya pega memo akwaba enti oba beye omo yearly anniversary but your problem kase wo man no ma papa we buy ye what divert the solution of that problem into another thing. What am I talking about? The main kasa fa hon say I was anka Kumasi for point to Accra demonstration be manning a year. Because a Jumana you and another shall see now you from Kumasi to Accra Road now. Na eye to prevent a man for now move to no on South Road no. Papa we buy no or see on fahu and a wejaya to ho and a old chiwura ewo or see Kumasi Accra highway was a express road was a wanyo. And I'm crofomani wu and a way in a knee. Na se sebio if actually one intention and it's a woo yet the ebema enkrofonu mu piema the ohen ambassador ka kwana enkrofonu gusu use no and then there was a wunye ni ye why ye honawie na bibia ye okay amamfo ma na enwu no na then you do another project and ye yen can say a luxury road but mahama si there be say NPP for asha se pass omo ye adwuma na omo anwie na omo bre atwam ono mahama de sanete a sika na ya spend no enhye emfa ne ho even though he promises say he's coming to continue everything na ne obi ne kwabra as oman hene asante. This is what they said about that express road and the Kumasi Accra road.
We will not give that road the priority attention while we take time and fix the express, because between the two, their priorities is the existing one. But I don't know, man for faso. But the highway, the expressway, 2-3 years project. The man for faso is here. What is existing now? Nipa ewu. 21 people, 21.
What is that road safety for? And I said road ministry, and I said transport ministry, and I said what is my issue? Nothing to that effect.
No, I mean, who? My issue they have not seen it.
Nothing to that effect.
21. And we know why 21 people died. We know. And just say I do anymore because acquire cars over 20,000 fast every day. You see, single lane for the better part of the road. Single lane is what I say.
Our leaders should be careful. Our leaders should be careful. Senka often said nipa 20 pa sebi. Attitude phobia. Nipa be attitude because it are referencing a kind of phobia or money and a kauna pengu. Manusi subi as pengu kra. Do you think we'll be sitting like this?
Because video nini.
Do you think we'll be sitting like this?
They have some of the best drivers in this country.
Do you think we'll be sitting like this?
Why? Was a single lane into the you cannot avoid head-on collision. You can say you dual carriage accident ensue, but you will not find head-on collision. Cars be no dia bomb brain. This bridge, I'm told, say I acquire hotspot for accident, and we know. It is not safe that we don't know, and we think, say yes, the expressway is good, but it only makes sense. The one the people are using now. I mean, I don't know why this is difficult. The one the people are using now, let's get it done well. Doing this and doing the expressway are not mutually exclusive. We can do both. But I think that the priority should be on this one.
The priority now is the 24-hour market. And that market, in the DBI, I suggest I'm a local government minister, I think that I'll borrow their own words. Overly ambitious, it's not something that, the end product, the ones they achieve, will be achieving that end product, 24-hour running markets. It's going to be a difficult task because clearly, and always we have suggested to them, say they have been piloting it at major active areas, mining just to get the figure. But energy because when you came to meet the 111, that's agenda 111, overly ambitious, and thought I was way out of the norm. Why do we do this? Knowing very well that some of these projects will end up in the bush.
Yes, and I'm for Nedjo, and then Crofono Muye campaign the Tiama MPP Amanyokono. A wana and then Omo Kasa, Editia Abanda Dano. Now, Oma Hinquabra Asanten Swakasa. Me say, you better 2028 wahum. I disafford to be Piabon Trinkoya campaign. Mimi Anthony Memwaka pa. And Crofo went to me Piabon Trinkoya campaign money ye. Because Quanya pressure shall say bano. No. Yenti o mahene kwa bana sante.
40 million, more than 40 million Ghana cedis.
24 hour I told you. Baby, I'm in Namno. Baby, no home, sir. Oh, mine. Baby, I'm 24-hour economy in Namno. Oh, mine, me one personality at the campaign season. I supported the idea of Bepimne. Obekaya, me and me party for from there upon my campaign because Nami was system. My ejuma as human resource, ewo timba eh. Oh my, when you create this 24 hours, even outside direct jobs, indirect jobs, no direct jobs. Yeah. Because Nami was Saud brothers and sons. Ewo dabai as human resource person. Oh my, near 7 to 8, 8 to 11, 11 to 7. Oh my, you could see say from Dabai station, Satam Kwane home you, Nyane Hobiu, Kosia for che, Ensio for ton, and car for ho, Bibia because Kani Bejina Dum, Afani Paba, Equanopa, Equavia, Equanumre. Enti and Chemwa, Modima Yohu 24 hours no. Et is any honorable kind, some medium film say, a smart Bequanopa, a few one yatiti, Aquanado. No, that's a medium. Now we are also better market near the coin. Oh my, when you are doing this, who consider your culture and tradition? Your culture and tradition, you present a digger, I market anado. Your culture and tradition is our production, products.
Almost 69 markets.
89 now, Wusino, your culture, you present. Yanu mujub kran yama kwanya se ko digwa 112 you will never go there.
No, it depends.
Mami me point. Enti the culture and tradition no e man sa kwan no by your culture and your tradition my kwan to do more production akola bia nso wokọ adwuma ya was certain product sales nitimi ya dey eko ebi ni patrol eyi awokan ebi ni organizing awoka services and how many 24 hours ahead but sales 24 hours. Now, why not have a catch on funny sika metal? For soldier need better than the kiosk, no ma. Oh my, for soldier need better than the stone, so but he will never come and sell at the night. And I won't know where the 80 tradition on me at home. One come market 24-hour market in any of your manifesto.
Afterthought.
And then I'm going to support you because, oh my, Yenim say. You use the funds to support the private
and reduce electricity tariffs.
Yama, your friend say LL. Says LL. Enyani bosomche. Enyani niwe dubiase. And then omuko. Your friend say Togo. Yes.
Ghana Cote d'Ivoire.
Diama eguduru. Eti mwayamre. Eti saoba nani taxes. Timbo okwa for forestry for you omo jeje no. Omo de batam. Now medisika. Now what me confirm me free sama boy anyone why and they ba L.
Yes, I was young for we no a freshman kakra. Promises are man for me promise as you say at your form console. Abusian for and then me the umbesia. I cannot pick course because I have something to do. I was saying P above 11. Today I cannot pick course. But there is this video I would like to share it with you, and when the video finishes and you don't hear me, it means I'm done. But answer my question, I'm fancy kakra a month of 4. Mimi I was saying to the Michel ye pamo aquaba. Mimi a piaga Michel. Mimi I will show sama ni Michel. Louis Mama Michel. Sansuna me mami Lucia mo ako Michel. Mimi a kuya ako Michel. Mami ya frem poma Michel. Mike Van Ofori. You ye watch papa, but today you are here. We thank God that you are with us. Lucy Amoako Michel ye pa. Me mama Diana Pia, mama who at the same. Sansuna me ma Vivian Kuma Michel. Me ba Monica mama who the same. And me Richard Michel. Evans and Kama Kofi brother Michel ye pa. Sansuna nana queer afro papa be Michel. Me sister me ba Esther K Badima mama Michel ye pa. Sa ensona. Imi ba ama nyako wonso ye chia ye pa. Ye chia mu nyina eda mu nyina ase Isaac Kurachi or say God bless you boss. So na Mark Van Ofori say thank you, wonderful presentation Mr. Mafo. You're welcome. I wish I'm chia mu nyina da mu nyina ase enemobre and yeah I hope say Yankopon ya adom na ochna bibia ko said the senefata we will still meet here on this platform. Meeting any Ras Media, we are live on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. Message about more than like a video, no share. Subscribe to the channel, so subscribe. Oh yeah, number can abusian cool Cassiano. Macramunina, until we meet again. Adios.
$300 million. I bet you them a contract no adwuma no am pani maham say onye because akufo adu ne shase na mom okoye expressway na expressway no wayi sika 1.7 billion bi ato account bi mu sika no fa ne nsanka escrow account dem on fa anya hwe na waka Ghana sojafo so mo nko clear enko ni nema e okwan no so na wo be mo bi contractor adana o ma sojafo na enko clear. It is Canada whole and any pay where a genocide. Sikano at the account to $1.7 million and $1.7 billion at the account to and $100 million. Yadabaya Quano, Yan first Sikano Momunya Quano, and the Nipana Ewu Tochum, Ewa Kumasi Highway. A genocide, a crime against humanity. A crime against humanity. Samampani bibeba na obiasha kwanse kwano ya chemulo 8 lots the least among them akufado kono na 58%. Na ye hia $300 million e de awie na mampani biaba na o say me the $1.7 billion ato account bi mu say say scan de minya nyusu ye na enipa nam kwan no so na enipa ewu sa nipa ewu nyina no a genocide a crime against humanity. Enti ato force no kana gboja Nyankopon ehwemo expressway mo ka che some the 3 years de bewie enti Accra Kumasi kwan ya da hoyi enkrofon fa so na omu se ya 3 years a mo bewie expressway no enti at the end no expressway no ye nim muntimi wie Accra Kumasi so bypass mo se mo nya enti be kosi koda wa we went me anwie o don sacrament me anwie na ne nyina afa ne se because ye nim mo what track record ye nim mo oba started 200 days in high schools when we 23 no wie oba ye bisa say day schools not starting on the first term 200 no do say no buy where we aka ho ono ye 23 Akufo-Addo ebe ya about 40 bisa ye Mahama say osan ba ye do Mahama ba bio mo misa ne say such days senior high schools 200 no chance no na oja to as various stages of completion no oba ya do saying and oba be wi mumisa no say Saglemi housing unit $200 million ya de ma Collins Dauda say onkosi adan no so be 5,000 housing units ewi ase emu 1,500 when we kania ni ho ensuo ni ho boho ni ho maho ni ho bibia ni ho uyusu da nye yie sikama se ya de ni page na court edi na asem osimayi akwapa no kwafo bra betene fie kwabradu for de ne ma be $2 billion ye chire omuso yesiko efficient na chem 60-40 mu fa bi nkodi na enso efa bi ni Dr. Puninum eti joma ama ba ye hwaniema akoso project odin sakika ye e wono ana ben ma wantimi anwie Commander Sugar Factory $34 million ana mampani Mahama so odi ye Commander Sugar Factory ewi ase yesi e produce sugar e ma so mokoto yesi chire ne kogu sedin o e ma Captain Smart kohwini no e ma mokọ ho e say ye produce sugar nie be sidne factory na ntimi produce a teaspoon of sugar Akufo-Addo buy no si dabi me ma factory da ho enye yie etimi kwakofa strategic investors na oma be invested ene ye kofa omo ena mo kofa price to house coopers also so may evaluation ye evaluation ni wie no ye se factory na esi wo no eye infidie dada ena be etwa mu no ede ye na ne buo no enye more than $12 million efidie no a plant na esi wa ye se ede be sugar na joma ma say omo de $34 million ye no abre omo koya re-evaluation no omo say Commander Sugar Factory no enuru ne boa enuru $12 million 34 to $12 million free mu patro akasen tena aka ma se ka akasen And only adia your mama DNDC for. And that's the only reason here. Sa factory no anya juma ne ebisi anya juma bisine. Oba ye onyani 2 years. 240 million Ghana cedis. Also the koya kokon kitenkete. No aba be ka kire se ekoko no minister say me party for na kuare. No mu ku anu matwa video da send me say honorable ye ewe nkoko no ye dey pepper soup no ewe. And you're causing financial loss to the state. In fact, we're willfully causing financial loss to the state. Now, are you weighing in area or say enkahwasem? Because okahwasem wa metal. And now I'm penny no aba ya announcement say ye nyam fidie bia ye betimi dey track your bia IP address. And you bia abaka asem bia nyam de bia no metal. And penny apa so ubie wa no a na ya chew ubie wa no a na ya chew asa tendra. Na enipa ira mahama eba wache mo kasa hunti no omo ye be 40 of them somebody in saying oma kasa oma try dey be on Facebook oma post dey o ha oma ye say so now for the first time in a very long while no Ghana ni bia kasa no osuro because o be kasa on social media so a o be try ese wo dwene na biom say ade a me be treat ye metimi ana anytime bia Omamu ni bia da fele se bia no that nipa no is under censorship. They say ya de ayi hu ato so na o kasa bia o kasa bia no ense ye so ne so it won't mean kira adwene se na ese wo kira adwene and a very sad a very unfortunate edubu ahenom akufo adnom kofo anom kom ye se e betimi nya free speech. And the most painful aspect is that omampani bia ni Ghana ha not in the history of Ghana. Omampani bia maya what did the atem ono ari di atem so radio mahama ono akasa personally what did the Ghana for atem edi di amampani fo nyina atem what did the achen for atem what did the asante for atem ono akasa to mampani akufa do din o ye Jack Toronto wakache akufa do say o ye kronfo ni nua gabi no bewie sika ma no wakasa nsam basa a emfata ono akasa personally and son and the proxies a wa form Kevin Taylor no ne ade omo so edi di atem asi obia enya atem didie ho faso e di aba abemu wono de oso mo obia nkasa e mo obia ni atem enti ene NPP for free Ghana for nyina say demonstration koso Supreme Court ani mu ha no pe ya wo ye Ghana ni brabonten na be ye wo ye kire enya saa e be ye oso obi na enya na asemu abre a chiche ma wuntumi be kai omukọ ni fie okumase se omukọ akọchi no aha yara me ne ye interview no na si Ghana for mun sori o Ghana for mun sori o NPP for mun sori o menye Ghana ni biom NPP for eye munti o ana joma ama ye mi sei na nkrofo gu fam twe ne ye sere adan ya wuntumi na nya na asem wuntumi se NPP for mun sori yeso wuntumi akoyi gold wo TV so oyi gold no umo obibi wuntumi akoyi gold enne edu miracle so edu Hanan so edru ayi Mustafa Hamid so Professor Miya Konfi and MPP mpanifo a edi Iroko ani bie na akwani abasa nkolati si so di atentwi ejitema wontumi ka asamo nsore no na mo sore ya anka mutumi so ano mpanifo se achia ni muye esi abibu nyina man sore ene na man tenta kokko anche John Mahama or the tribunal eba tribunal na matese ese de asem se wasam kom animu a 49 days ni ade awie be domponte se man sori an tinta sukoko an che doma ama ban a enuru next year enu December no na ya timu nyina gum na akaba omianko a en mon kan se mo amunipa wasen kom se next year June na obeyen senchene konfanoche next year June wo so obeyen senchene enti mon kan na mo hunu se amanfo abopo kwata by June die ni atimu nyina gum yanchi gum so a yachiwa the allegation ato so where we have 55 million 100 million 20 million now why Ghana for him ni we lose voice we lose dignity e wa bonten enti NPP for nyina and the ordinary Ghanaian mon sorry afei ni mahunu say che ma wuntumi asem okan no na ababi egum medin e de kwaku dawuru